Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Nubia device. Firstly, just open Settings. In them, you need to scroll all the way down and click on Advanced Settings. After that, click on Languages and Input at the top and choose On-Screen Keyboard. Then tap on Keyboard. And finally, Theme. Now you can click on Show More at the bottom left corners to see all available themes. Click on the best one for you. Manage key borders and choose Apply in order to save it. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to, you can always customize it though by going into the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. I will go with this one. Following that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Now you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, and manage key borders. Finally, click on Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you need to click on it over here, tap on this pen icon, and make your changes. Then, in order to save them, tap on Apply. In order to delete one of your keyboards though, click on it, tap on this bin icon, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!